Hey everyone, this is a trader investor on Tuesday morning. Price action, what is going on? The markets have opened. It's been about 15 minutes and I want to go over what I'm expecting in the SPYs, Qs, IWM and diamonds. That's what I'm going to look at right now. So the SPYs, starting with the SPYs, they opened near the high of yesterday. This was very similar to yesterday. They opened near the high of Friday and price kept pushing up. Today they opened near the high of yesterday. Price pushed up a little bit and is now starting to act like it wants to close the gap of yesterday between the close and this morning, and we have yet to see what's going to happen. What I want to check is where are we in relation to price and reversal points. A lot of times if you do the Fibonacci retracement from the close of the previous day to the open of current day, price has a tendency to go to the negative 27.8% retracement or the negative 61.8% retracement and reverse to close the gap, and close the gap as far as 50%. So it looks like that's what it wants to do today. It did not do that yesterday. Yesterday was just a complete just reversal, right? If you do this yesterday, it blew through multiple levels and it just kept going up. So it is not a requirement that it reverses, but if a level touches and reverses, then you know there is a significant level. And on Wednesday last week, the reason I bring this up is I want to show you something here. On Wednesday last week, price went to the negative 27.7%, a little bit around there. If I draw this more accurately, this is what you see. Price went to the negative 27.8% retracement and it reversed and closed the gap almost the same day, right? So it closed the gap the following day, but it was quite a reversal. So keep this in mind when you see price acting strange in an area. And it's not that it's acting strange, it is just doing what it needs to do, right? And so it wants to go close this gap. So why am I not entering a trade right now? Why I'm not talking about entering a trade right now is because headwind for me is the 50% retracement or the 61.8% retracement. It could come there and reverse. If it does not do that, I will find other entry opportunities. If price keeps collapsing and then tests the 15-minute range and keeps going down, I will use that as an entry, targeting the 1 to 7% retracement, the 1618% retracement. That's what I'll be targeting. But for now, I am not entering a trade. And here's live, right? Here's live. Here's my analysis live for you. I'm not entering a trade because price could stop near these values here. I don't know where it wants to stop, so I'm not in a comfortable position to enter a trade yet. The Qs are doing similar thing. Open near the high. We have already taken care of this imbalance. We don't need to clutter our view. Price gapped up this morning, and price gapped up and it went a little bit past that negative 27.8. It actually went to the negative 44.5% and reversed, and it has not gone below the 15-minute range yet. So because of that, you see how this is not going there and this acting as headwind, and that level where it bounced off is the 50%. So SPYs, the level where it's bouncing off the 50%. That's why I'm not really in a rush to enter. It could happen, we could break through, but a breakthrough is boom, boom, boom. It just keeps going. There's no sign of weakness. That's what I want to see. And in the Qs, we might be able to get that a close below this 50%, might be able to get the price to push down. Again, the 61.8, the 78.6, all of these are potential areas of break Therefore, I want to see what it does around there first. IWM was the weakest yesterday. It is acting like the strongest today. Boom, we took care of this imbalance. 1 bar, it take care of this imbalance. Now in IWM, I will enter a day position, not a swing position. I will enter a day position to target the order block here, to target the order block here. That's what I'm going to target. But we are right up against it. So 23.70. If we go all the way up 24.30, we're not even getting $1. So what I want to see when I say target this order blocks, I'm not going to enter just blindly when it breaks here. I want to see it do this and form a higher low, and then I'm comfortable to enter to take it. Otherwise, it's going to just collapse here. It is going to just collapse here. Or, of course, it could just be a stupid day. Stupid day meaning I'm not, cursing the day. It's just beautiful. But for IWM, it could be just one where it goes up and down in a tight range and there's no trades. That's what I mean. Outside of that, it's always a beautiful day. I always consider each day that I'm blessed to breathe. I'm blessed to wake up. I thank God for that, and it's a beautiful day every day. But when it comes to trading, some days there's just no trade for us to be made, so we're not rushing to enter trades. Diamonds, very similar story. We have a gap. We pushed up a little bit. Last week's high is our area of contention. Now we have an imbalance up there. But look, price now is really driving down. And could it stop at the high of yesterday's 15-minute range? That's what I want to see. But because of the retracement, I am not in a hurry to enter positions, right? This is where the 15-minute range broke and the 50% was right there. Now, diamonds, they're the weakest today. You see them already negative. And price keeps pushing down. It might want to go all the way down before we see some reversal, or it might halt here. So because of the way I trade, I'm okay that I have missed this 77 cents move in 1 bar, right? And increasing 77 to 81 and keeps increasing. I'm okay that I missed it because I have headwinds. My experience has told me when there's headwinds and entering a position is a ticket for a stop loss. I want the stop loss to hit because the market says I'm going to do something out of the ordinary and just reverse on you. That's perfect. But if I see a potential headwind and I enter and price reverses, and I knew that it could reverse and I get stopped out, that's on me, right? That's on me for being greedy, for being trigger happy, for entering too quickly. So because of that, no entries for me yet. Yes, look at what price is doing. Now if we get a close below the 78.6% retracement, if we get a close here, below here, and we test the close of yesterday, then I will definitely target the highs of last week, the high of the 15-minute range of yesterday. I'm definitely going to target those. But until I see that, there's no entry. And again, markets don't go in an up straight line. They go up, pull back, up, pull back, up, pull back. So that's why when I see a pullback today, it's not something that scares me. They don't go down in a straight line. They go down, rally, down, rally, down, rally. So that's what happens. So now I'm looking for a down rally opportunity within today before it finds a higher low, some bottom and reverses, and then we look for that reversal for entry. So for now, this is how the markets are setting up. This is what I'm doing, and I am waiting patiently. Usually I would enter at the 15-minute range break, but today because of those levels, I was not comfortable to enter. And this is already an 89 cents move. This is a beautiful move so far, but does it stop? Again, always my value is, do I have $1 move between my entry and the next area of trouble, which was that 50% retracement. Even if you go to the close of yesterday, it still doesn't give me that dollar space. I need a dollar so that even if it goes to halfway and return, at least I can capture some gains and close my positions. If I see that weakness, I will close all of my positions. But if it goes to a dollar, then I can take that exit 50% at that dollar move and see if we will continue to ride down. If the gap here is 70 cents, 50 cents, it reverses at 25. It is a quick reversal. I'm not even able to capture even a small gain. It'll stop me out too quickly because that short 50 cents and then reverse, those are quick, pump, pump, and I don't have an opportunity to exit. So this is what I'm looking at. This is why I have not entered any trades yet. I'm going to be patient and wait for those price actions to tell me what they want to do. All right, everyone, take care. Don't forget to like this video, and I will come back later this afternoon and see how the markets close, and see if our narrative stays the same of where we want to go with the price. Take care, everyone.